record Nino's sexy ass. Fucking look at that, man. Look at this setup. Look at this setup.
Trash.
Oh my god. Best streamer right here. Best streamer 2024 coming up. I'll vote for him. Hell yeah. Look at that. Look at that. GamerSup sponsor me.
I found this at EDC.
You found that at EDC? Fuck yeah, dude.
That was the session 4 or session 5 or something like that.
Nice. That's a freaking come up. Yeah, the Hero 4 session. Yes, sir. I'd use that as a dash cam for my car and be like, you stay right there. What up, guys? So we are currently out by the freeway right now. The sun's setting, but we got some RC cars and we are gonna play out here in this beautiful field for a little bit while we still got some sunlight. I'm gonna clip you guys to this bad boy right here, and we're gonna do, I mean, my hand for reference, this thing is huge, so we're gonna be ripping around on that bad boy, having some good times. There's literally just a roundabout right here. We're parked at the dead end, so it's about to be some good times. There's a nice little trail right there, some hills. This is gonna be sick. I'm fucking excited, bro. Hell yeah. Thank you, Nino. All right, I got you guys on a clip, and oh no, it's not gonna fit right there. Let's see. There we go. All right, you guys are currently on the tail of this thing. Fuck. Bro, this is wild.
Yeah, we're locked.
fucking crazy. Yep.
Okay, I need new ones anyway.
That was fucking wild. I literally just saw it like disintegrate. Oh fuck yeah. Holy shit. God damn. Where'd I launch the GoPro at?
I don't know, sir. Uh-oh. That's not good. Do you have a Find My Device?
Tire.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there it is. Woo! Woo! I was like, I lost it around here because I literally like saw everything fly off. Dude. Man. Okay, so I was donutting a little too hard and we kind of, oh shit, the torque is fucking, bam, we lost the tire. Dude, this thing is freaking crazy. Wow. Dude, this thing's so much fucking fun. It makes me want a bigger one now. I'm gonna have to grab my drift one out of my storage unit.
See, I wanted a drift one. My original plan was to buy a drift one, but then I was like, he was like, do you have friends that do this? I was like, no, it's just me and probably gonna be my kids eventually.
Yeah.
He goes, you don't want this.
The guy tried to do the same thing to me and I was like, no, I'm fine with playing with myself. Like I don't need nobody.
And then I
Yeah.
told him, well, we're moving out to Sacramento and there's
Yeah.
a lot of land out there.
Yeah.
He goes, you want an outdoorsman?
Yeah, yeah. I feel like he sold you on the better deal because I mean this right here, like just being out and about